Hello. On this video, I show that this modified Nand2Tetris ALU can still perform the 18 ALU functions. These are the inputs. And this is the output. These are the control bits. These bits indicate whether the output is 0 or negative. These 2 bits instructs how to preset the X input. These 2 bits instructs how to preset the Y input. This bit select between ending or summing. And this bit instruct how to post-set the output. Let's set X to 255 and Y to minus 255. We compute 0, 1, minus 1, X, Y, not X, not Y, minus X, minus Y, X plus 1, Y plus 1, X minus 1, Y minus 1, X plus Y, X minus Y, Y minus X, X and Y, X or Y. Thanks for watching and don't forget to